Hello guys, this is Ahmed and you're watching Grooming Logics. Now, I will compare both the budget earphones, the OFIA ones and the Mi Basic earphones as I have previously mentioned in my unboxing video. If you haven't checked this out, the unboxing, then I'll put the link in the description. You can check that out as well. So, starting from the 3.5 mm audio jack quality on both the earphones, first of all I would like to tell you that the Mi Basic earphone is slightly higher in price than the Chinese OFIA headphones. However, both are Chinese, but somehow their build quality and etc., their quality, the brand differs, so that's why. So basically, starting from the on the side, on the Mi Basic earphone side, the 3.5 mm audio jack is not gold plated, but on this side, if you see at certain angle, it is gold plated. However, with the friction, it has rubbed somewhat so that it looks silver. But yes, this one is gold plated. Now, another important feature about this is the mic quality. So the mic quality on the MI Basic earphone is very good, but on the other side, the mic quality is you can say the poor quality mic. So there was a pros and cons of the mic of this. Now, the third one is that the Mi Basic earphone look premium in hand, while the other OFIA Chinese headphones look like just a plastic feel, cheap feel, So number four is the sound quality of this earphone. Now here, the on the Mi side, the sound quality is the bass is average. I mean, and the clarity is all the sound clarity is also average, while the loudness is also average quality. So not that much good sound quality, but the build quality of the Mi Basic earphone is that it was buying. Now on the other side, the OFIA headphones has a very high bass, sound clarity is above average, and the loudness is pretty much good. But the loudness is higher than the Mi Basic earphone on this side, on the OFIA side. And number five is the overall build quality. So the overall build quality, I will give a 4.5 out of 5 to the Mi Basic earphone, and 3.5 out of 5 to this one, because it looked like plastic. It somewhat give a plasticky feel, while it gives a premium feel, and hence the wire here is tangle free, but I'm not pretty sure about it. It will break a lot at this point. The breakage chances is greater, but on this side the breakage chances are pretty smaller. So you must consider, if you buying, then you must consider the overall build quality. That I will give 4.5 out of 5 to this one, and 3.5 out of 5 to this one. But for the sound quality, I will give 4.5 to this, and for sound quality on this one, I'll give it 3.5. So it make a lot of difference. But if you are comfortable, if you are sacrificing about the build quality and you only prefer the sound quality and the bass quality, then you must go through this one and the OFIA one. Now if I remove the sponges, it really give a premium look, but the overall quality is, just below average, the overall build quality, but the sound quality is extraordinary on this side. Well, the price, according to this price tag, I will recommend you, if you are sacrificing on the build quality, but you are your preference, your priority is sound quality, then you must go for this one, and it will definitely cost you 100 rupees less than the Mi Basic earphones. So that was all about this earphone comparison review, and this is Ahmed, and I'm signing off. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.